Hi everyone. In this course, Keyboarding, OIT 101, everything is completed through lessons and tasks through a web-assisted Cengage software program, but I just wanted to share with you in case you wanted to access the actual textbook. To do that, you would go to, under Quick Links, SAM Cengage Links, and then you would click our course, and then it'll take you right to the textbook. So this is a little different from the Cengage MindTap dashboard, but this is your actual keyboarding textbook, and we'll open that in a moment. This was the first skills analysis timed writing that you took. And here you have the lessons that we're working on. So I know I don't have them all open in Blackboard, but if you're moving along and you want to go on to the next lesson that is not open in Blackboard, you can open it through here. So if you click this little arrow here, it breaks down the lessons. So you could go right to lesson 1 and then go ahead and do the lesson 1 review. If you're moving along, lesson 2, and so forth. So you can do them through here. If you notice, I don't have any, they're always available and there are no due dates so that you can work at your own pace. So you can keep going, the lessons are all in here, or you can do them as they appear in Blackboard. So to go back to the textbook, I'm going to click here to open the textbook. And we are working with level 1, and they have the introduction, which just is a short introduction of the learning outcomes. So I'll leave here and go back to module 1, the alphabetic keys. And this is a breakdown of everything that you'll be doing in those 32 tasks in lesson 1. And then it starts the review with the R. So for example, if I were to click the very first one, it gives you a little bit of information. Why is keyboarding a great investment, and how can I get the best return on my investment? So there's some nice tidbits of information, and it goes through learning the new key reaches. And here you are. This is what you did in the first lesson in Cengage, learning the proper placement of the home row keys and your fingers, what letters are associated with each finger. And there's some information about the space bar and the enter key, and pictures. There's a lesson that you'll be doing in the simulated web-assisted software, and you've seen that and probably typed it already. So there is some important information that if you wanted to look up within the textbook, you have access to it, because pretty much in the software application, you're just doing the tasks. So if you wanted to read any important tidbits information, you would want to access your textbook. So I just wanted to share with you in case you wanted to see what is the textbook part of the Cengage web-assisted software. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.